Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. A lot to cover and not much time to do it. Small craft advisories in the offshore waters and coastal flood advisories along the coast, higher than normal tides with all that wind we had last night through 11 o'clock in the morning. We also have this severe thunderstorm warning till 6:30 for parts of Duval County and out into Webb County. Again, that's until 6:30 tonight. That's down around the area around Bruni and Oilton. Those are the areas affected. And of course, we have small craft advisories out and also a special marine warning for this line of storms. If you know somebody that's out in the Gulf right now, call them and get them in, because these storms are going to cause some pretty big winds out in the Gulf when they push on offshore. But again, they haven't developed much further over the last 30 minutes, but the heaviest of activities around Refugio right now and stretching towards Woodsboro, and also showers have developed around Tynan and over to Lakeshore Gardens and just north of Mathis. Everything moving to the south-southeast at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. There's that big storm out to the west that is in the process of weakening. And again, here's a 3D look at this activity, and you can see what I mean on the 3D radar here, where you see how these storms are falling apart a little bit right in this area, but still holding together up in Refugio and on the backside of this over towards Mathis. So again, there's some activity out there for sure, but it's not for everybody. 48,000 feet, though, is getting up pretty high. The higher in the atmosphere, the more potential to be severe. We also have this disturbance tonight on the water vapor imagery that's going to move to the east-southeast and into the lower Rio Grande Valley, and that's going to bring this moisture in Mexico back over the top of us with showers overnight, maybe a little thunder, but nothing severe. Potentially a storm or two could go severe on us here this evening in the next 2 hours. The rainfall potential is going to be heavier because that low is going to track right across here, so heavier down in the Rio Grande Valley and not in the coastal bend. Heavier activity in the coastal bend will be in the southern half as opposed to the northern half, as the folks in Beeville already know. Rainfall amounts on average will be about a ½ inch here, but more as you go south. And again, here is the short range forecast on this, showing these storms moving in between now and 7 o'clock, but holding together and then pushing off to the south. But a better model on this is showing the activity coming in and then kind of breaking apart around 9 o'clock tonight, and then residual showers coming back overnight from the southwest through about 5 a.m. and into the 8 o'clock hour. So that's what we're looking at. That's the setup for this. And again, we'll see a better, drier day here on Sunday. Mother's Day looks pretty good, as you can see on our 7-day forecast. 62 tonight, 75 tomorrow. Stays cloudy all day except for a few pockets of sunshine up north. Mother's Day, 63 and 80. Very nice after 94 today. 83 on Monday. Isolated showers Tuesday, and then humid, windy, and warmer Tuesday night through Friday of next week.